So we're going to add a custom material to the materials library in xTool Studio. In this case, it's a slice of olive wood. And I don't know who's cutting down olive trees, but I got a slice of it and it looks pretty sweet. But when I started to engrave on it, I went to the materials library and there's no reference. So now I've got my settings worked out and I want to save them. Well, the first thing I done was take a snip of the wood so I can add it to the file. Once your settings are the way you want them, right next to user defined on the right, you can click Save Settings. You can give your material a name, olive wood without the E. You can click the material cover and we can go grab the one I saved. It'll give you a chance to crop it if you like. When you like it, click confirm and it adds it to the file. Here you can select characteristics. Maybe it's flammable, use odor protection, whatever you want to put in there, you can add it to the file. Down here in material settings, you have to put something. Now you could type in all of the settings. In this case, I'm just going to put custom because it's going to pull the settings over anyway. And at that point, you can click submit. You'll see top right, here's your material. If you click on that, you'll find it in the list. And then if you go to My Materials, you'll find it there as well. If you want to edit it, you can click Edit, make your adjustments, click Submit, and you're good to go. If you figure out you made a big mistake and you just want to delete it and start over, you select it, and then you can select Material Management here at the center. You can select your item, and then you can go down to the bottom and delete it. In this case, it's a good one, so I'll keep it. And that is about it. It's good to be able to save your own materials in there because I know I hate figuring it out over and over, and I've done that to myself many times. So I hope that was helpful. I really appreciate you folks watching. If you have comments, please let me know. Maybe you've worked with this more than I have. I've only done a couple of these, and seems to work good. You can do some sub materials, but that gets a little tricky. I would end up using the wrong setting, so that's why I'm not showing that at all. So just check back often for new videos. You folks take care, and we'll see y'all next time. Thank you.